Alright, I just freaking woke up. I've not even been outside. Can't see outside. So let's go see the damage, if there is any anyways. Holy crap. I've never seen the yard this messy before. Tree branches and everything have fallen down. The whole entire neighborhood is just stacked up with leaves and branches. So look at all that over there. Leaves everywhere. People working. Oh, that's Texas too. It really doesn't look like much damage on camera, but there's a lot of sticks out here and branches. Yeah, all the fencing and everything got ripped off over here at the nursing homes or whatever these are over here. Yeah, the fence to this house was even torn down. That's sad. Even tore the freaking trees down all the way over here by Ollie's. That sucks. Well, it doesn't look like it affected El Toro or Clute very much. Looks like a tree fell over and a power line. Yeah, that wind was crazy enough to knock down this tree. We're closer to the Gulf right now, so I'm gonna expect having larger kind of winds and larger kind of damage. Got more fences that are knocked down over here in Clute. Looks like they're building a new maintenance office or maybe a new school. Interesting. We'll do a comparison in 50 years. Here's the Brazos High School. It's been torn up pretty good. Got this old pharmacy over here and got a giant tree right beside it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hurricane Nicholas, I don't know, I think it hit around like 1 o'clock and I fell asleep around like 3. Nothing really happened at our house, but the winds were strong enough to still push over our trees. So that's it, and a Google to the shop, I swear. So I hope you guys enjoyed some of the videos of just like trees falling, fences falling, just to show you guys how powerful the winds were. This is just a Category 1 hurricane, and if it was even worse, or it would have been a lot worse than it is now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.